everyone. We are starting literary theory video podcasts to discuss important concepts of literary theory with you. Easy-Peasy theory video podcasts. Today's topic is the concept of Actant by A.J. Greimas. Do you know the concept of Actant? A.J. Greimas was a narratologist, and Actant is a concept used in narrative theory. That means the study of texts, stories. And what does Actant refer to? Actant refers to the fundamental roles that characters and objects play in a story. All of us know that in a story there are characters, there are actions, there are some objects. So what do these characters, objects, actions, etc. play? What role do they play in the story? That is the meaning of Actant. Now, according to Greimas, every story involves a set of actants. There are some actants in every story. There is no story without it. And these actants perform certain specific functions or actions. Within the narrative, these actants perform certain actions. For example, the protagonist is helped by an actant or character. Rama is helped by Hanuman, and that is the actant helper. Like that, there can be a man or a woman who brings obstacles in front of the protagonist, like Shurpanakha or Ravana. Who are they? They are the actant opponents. But remember, the actants are not only characters. The actants can be human or non-human. It can be devils. It can be animals, or even animate or inanimate. It can be mountains or stones or rivers. So let us look at it once again. Actants may include characters, such as the dwarfs in Cinderella's story. In the fairy tale of Cinderella, there are 7 dwarfs. It is in Snow White that there are 7 dwarfs. I gave the wrong actant to the wrong fairy tale. Now you will remember. The dwarfs in the Snow White story. The actant can also be objects, such as the forbidden apple in Paradise Lost. The forbidden apple in the Fall of Man story is an actant object. And then actant can be events. For example, Macbeth and Banquo are walking through the forest and they see the 3 witches. That is an event that constitutes the actant event. Listen to me, guys. These actants might be even abstract concepts like time or destiny, fate, as in Oedipus, or in Romeo and Juliet, that also can be actant. But one thing is important. Each actant has a specific relationship with the other actants in the story. Each actant has a specific relationship with the other actants in the story. And each actant contributes to the overall meaning of the story. In order to understand the story properly, in order to understand the underlying structures of the story, the symbolism of the story, what do you need? You need to understand the actants. That is what A.J. Greimas thought. So I hope you understood this concept of actant. I'll be back with more Easy-Peasy literary theory. Until then, bye-bye and thank you.